We have established ourselves as one of the leading manufacturers, and one of the renowned names in electrical panel manufacturing segment, with integrated and future-ready installations. Our modern plant is equipped with the latest machinery for premium quality product development. Expert professionals ensure utmost satisfaction while fulfilling needs of valued customers, with a workforce of industry professionals, and having great expertise in the field of manufacturing and supply. We aim to provide a complete range of services. We are fully equipped with a high-end technical team that make us competent in the market. All our products are designed with international quality standards, and are compliance with government regulations, guaranteeing safety to the users. We are ISO certified and associated with CPRI approved, LV panel, and MV panels manufacturers, making us a perfect choice for all your electrical needs under one roof. We design and engineer our products with an aim to provide human safety, utmost quality, technical superiority and timely delivery. We possess the market share in India and abroad. We have a modernistic infrastructure set up that assists us manufacturing and supplying of quality range of products. Our infrastructure is well equipped with latest machines.
We aim to provide complete support systems to fulfill the client's needs in flawless and inefficient manner.
The company has huge workspace of over 1 lakh square foot area, and has massive assembly hall which leads high in production. Our infrastructural facilities include fabrication shop, paint shop, assembly section, for manufacturing any type of structure as per client's specific requirement. Our motto is to provide the best quality product in the market at competitive rates, and make ourselves a world-renowned supplier of electrical items. We boast of state-of-the-art infrastructure so as to manufacture supreme quality products, and totally strive to provide 100% customer satisfaction. Our on-time delivery service, economic prices and highest quality product as per national and international standards. Our core objectives are quality and economy, total client satisfaction, continuous development, and high standards through innovative solutions is our mission. We are consistently working towards upgrading the future of research and development while prioritizing our customer satisfaction. LS Power Control Private Limited, Edger Electrical Engineering.